Hello there. If you're new to WordPress, or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you how to easily publish a post on your WordPress website in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Click on Posts. Click on Add New. Enter your post title and content. Click on the Publish button. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn how to publish a post on your WordPress website. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.